76 Russian soldiers are reported to have been killed in a Ukrainian attack in the Kherson region after being used as bait or living targets by their commanders. The incident, probably a Himars strike, is reportedly being hushed up by the Russian military. The VCHK OGPU Telegram channel reports that the incident took place on the 10th of November and involves soldiers from the 35th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 41st Combined Arms Army of the Central Military District. According to a source, the 35th Brigade was ordered to send 2 battalions to the Hola-Pristin area on the Russian-held left bank of the Dnipro, southwest of Kherson City. This was intended as a distraction maneuver to mislead the Ukrainians about Russian intentions. VCHK OGPU reports, the personnel of the 1st Motorized Rifle Battalion of the 35th Motorized Rifle Brigade were loaded into a vehicle without proper equipment and, as part of 2 columns, left for the Hladkivka area. While in Hladkivka, both columns of the 1st MRB were struck by the Ukrainian armed forces, as a result of which 76 servicemen were killed. Hladkivka is about 25 kilometers, 15 miles, from the Ukrainian-held side of the Dnipro. Judging from the number of casualties, it's likely this was a Himars strike. An investigation is said to be underway, but an attempt is being made to conceal the fact of an obviously criminal order from the group's command, due to which the military personnel found themselves in the role of a living target. Russian forces withdrew from some positions in Krinky after coming under both Ukrainian and Russian artillery fire, several Russian sources report. The Ukrainian army extended its bridgehead on the left side of the Dnipro, following the Russian positional change. Positive trend in the area. This Russian Pantsir was destroyed near Chaplinka, around 50 kilometers from the Dnipro River and deep inside Russian-occupied territory. Considering the fact that this so-called drone killer was spotted by a drone so far from the current front line and while being operational, just adds up to the long list of air defense failures of this Russian piece of hardware. The first recorded use of 500-kilogram RBK-500 cluster bombs by the Russian military in the Donetsk region. In a new study by the British publication The Sun, the presence of several Vladimir Putins was confirmed. The study, carried out with the help of artificial intelligence, which analyzes Putin's facial features, gait, and speech, showed that at least 2 doppelgangers were speaking in his place, Sun journalists write. Doppelgangers are believed to have even appeared at high-level meetings, much to the chagrin of people who knew the president personally. Peskov claimed that his daughter Liza lived in Spartan conditions in France. The photo shows several examples of these very conditions and her challenging life in Paris. After Putin's palaces and business jets seem like poverty. By the way, the Anti-Corruption Foundation, as long as 5 years ago, found out that Peskova and her mother own an apartment of 180 square meters worth almost 2 million euros in one of the most expensive districts of Paris.
Если говорить, например, о моей дочке, то она никогда не была ребенком-мажором. У нее была очень непростая жизнь, непростая учеба, не только в России, она училась еще и во Франции. И она всегда жила там очень бедно, в очень спартанских условиях, и, собственно, никогда не была мажором. И ей пришлось преодолевать огромное количество трудностей, она долго искала себя, и слава богу, что сейчас устаканилось и все нормально. Тоже, кстати, стала такой изрядной карьеристкой.
Ukrainian servicemen pulling their drone from underwater to repair it. Ukrainians treat any donated hardware with utmost care. Metallica. Nothing else matters by Ukrainian soldier on Bandura. And for the military porn, a view of the Starship launch from Mexico.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.